All right, welcome to the July Shelfie Box. This month we have a really cute cake stand. Now, this is not for real cake, but it is a new interchangeable to our shop. So you are the very first to get this brand new interchangeable in our shop. So first we're going to glue this decorative scalloped edge to the base that has the longer slit. I lined up the two small slits in conjunction with that. And you'll notice too, if you rotate it at all, the scallops won't quite line up. So it all fits like a puzzle piece to make it really easy. This part here that I just glued is the bottom base. So again, the scalloped edge with a smaller slit circle in the middle. And then the center stand is going to be made up of 3 pieces. Now these also fit together like a puzzle piece. And you'll notice here that I actually painted the wrong side of one of them. So it didn't line up perfectly. I was a little confused at first by my own mistake. Realized what I did, flipped it over, painted it later. No biggie. So just know that everything fits together just like a puzzle piece as per usual. I do apologize for the noise in the background. My son is playing with his Hot Wheels. So then there's this one last large circle that goes on the bottom of that first decorative piece that we pieced together. Now this is going to be a tight fit all throughout because we didn't want any wobbly pieces. So if you paint a little too thick at all, then it's going to need a little sanding down. So just lightly sand where those inserts go. Now for the 3 inserts, you've got strawberries, blueberries, and apricots, peaches. Yes. So here I just glued them together and this is what it looks like. So here you're just gluing all the fruits down. Each basket has a fruit in the bottom left-hand corner. They each have a basket rim. They each have a heart. And they each have extra pieces that go here and there and everywhere. So the blueberries, I did a couple different tones of blue, and those are all listed in your color chart. And that was really fun to put together, especially because we have a blueberry festival here in town this coming weekend. So it's just good timing for our town to have blueberries. The strawberries have their little green stems that you add on top. And then the peaches as well also have their time in the spotlight in our town soon. They're gonna also have a peach fest. So yeah, go ahead and glue those stems on top of the strawberries. The blueberries just get their blueberries, and then the peaches do have some little stems as well. Once everything is done, again, you can sand them down. Some of these fit perfectly in and some needed a little sanding, and it's all cut from the same wood. So it just depends on if that particular piece swelled up at all or if it got a little extra paint. I did sand in right here just to make it a little bit easier. But really, it is a tight fit, so you don't need to push down too hard. It will stay standing just like so, and it will resemble a beautiful cake stand when it's all said and done. This is one that my husband actually took notice of and said that he really liked. So there is your July Shelfie box, and I hope y'all enjoyed making this with me. Happy crafting!